Creating molds, how can you compete with me on speed and cost? For a set of molds like this, if we use standard molds, it would easily cost over $10,000. With our rapid tooling, we can get it done for just $3,000. Why can we offer molds at such a low price? Because our mold making process is fast. We can complete a set of molds in just 7 to 10 days. Our rapid tooling molds are actually quite similar to standard molds. Both are produced using injection molding. The process is just different, targeting small batch production of hundreds to thousands. Our molds last for 30,000 to 50,000 uses, and the products they create almost reach the standard of real molds.